Hi, my name is Jeremy Popskalski, and this is my economic wealth assignment. Today, I will be showing you 3 different countries, each with a different classification: developed, developing, and underdeveloped. The developed country I chose is France, which is located in Western Europe. They have a gross domestic product of 2.6 trillion US dollars. Dividing this by the population of 67.6 million people, we can find the GDP per capita, which is $40,380. The French are also very active on the international market, exporting $558 billion worth of products and importing an additional $643 billion. Their top exports include planes, helicopters, spacecrafts, medication, gas turbines, and vehicle parts, with these primarily going to Germany, the United States, Italy, Spain, and Belgium. Their top imports, however, include cars, crude and refined petroleum, medication, and aircraft parts, with these primarily coming from Germany, Italy, Spain, Belgium, and China. With a population of 211 million people and the largest landmass in South America, the developing nation I chose is Brazil. They have a GDP of 1.44 trillion, which comes out to 8,898 per capita. Brazil exports $230 billion, made up mostly of soybeans, crude petroleum, raw iron, corn, and sulfate chemical wood pulp, to primarily China, the US, Argentina, the Netherlands, and Japan. Brazil's top imports, which make up the majority of their annual $177 billion spent on imports, are refined petroleum, vehicle parts, crude petroleum, integrated circuits, and pesticides. These mostly arrive from China, the US, Germany, Argentina, and South Korea. Ravaged by natural disasters and poverty, my underdeveloped nation chosen is Haiti. Having a population of 11.26 million and a GDP of only 13.485 billion, they are left with a GDP per capita of $1,275, placing them at 160th in terms of GDP per capita. Haiti exports $1.33 billion, worth mostly of live fish and knit clothing, such as shirts, sweaters, and suits. They rely on the markets of Canada, the US, Mexico, India, and France to import their products. Speaking of imports, Haiti imports $2.51 billion worth of mostly refined petroleum, rice, palm oil, poultry meats, and light rubberized knitted fabrics. These come from the US, China, Turkey, Indonesia, and India. Thank you for listening to my presentation. If you have any questions or concerns, don't be afraid to ask me. I hope you enjoyed.